Welcome guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to post your website online using a web host and a web server. If you already have a domain name, that's good. If you don't have a domain name, you can go on iPage or any other web server and purchase a domain name. But today, for this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to post your website online using the web host and a web server. So let's start. I already have a domain name, and my domain name is philwebcreationservice.com. So what I'm gonna do to prove this video has been right is that I'm gonna try searching for it. So let's go okay, I see it right here, service. See, my website is not showing, it's not displaying, even though I have it, but it's not displaying. It's because I haven't linked my domain name to the file that I have in my web host to publish my website online. And today basically is what I'm gonna show you how to do. So let's start. First thing I want to do is to log onto my app page, which is my web host. So let's go app page, and I'll log into my app page. Just a minute. Alright, see, I already have a sign in, so it just sign me in automatically. But if you don't have a sign in yet, you can go and purchase a web host and sign in and follow us. Okay, alright, so I sign in to my web host. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to your web server. There's so many different web servers we can use, but for this tutorial I'm gonna use FileZilla. So FileZilla is gonna be my web server I'm gonna use. So let me open my FileZilla. Alright, this is how it's gonna be like. So if you have your website already made, already done, and you don't know how to post it online or how to post it on the World Wide Web, which is www. This tutorial is for you. Alright, now what you do here is you sign in with your host ID. Now your host ID is the host ID you purchase from iPage or whatever whatever web server whatever web host you purchase it on. So it's where you go to get it. Alright, so for here, this is my right here, this is my web host ID right here, ftp.cityoftruthchurch.com. Right, so you take that and you can copy it. Let's go copy that. I'm gonna copy this one because it's faster. Alright, now you just post it here to where it says host. Alright, so okay, so I got it in there now. Now username is the username that you use to log into your web host. Okay, So this is your web host username. So you just copy this and post it on where it says username, okay? And your password, normally when you open this FileZilla or web host, you're gonna need a password. And the password you're gonna need is the password that's connecting to your web host. Okay? So you go, my web host password is this. I already know it. So y'all, I'm not gonna show you my password though. Alright, so you put your password in, and I'm gonna put mine in. Hey. So now you log in. See, I log in right now, it display all my information here. So what you want to do is that you already have your website done, and you can go through your desktop through this app, through this web server. So now you can access file from your desktop here. So what you do is you go to your desktop, and with whatever folder you have your website in, you just copy that folder. It's easy. It's like drag and drop. So you copy that folder from here or anywhere you have it. Just go and copy it. You copy that folder. So I'm gonna pretend as if my folder is here. So alright, so now this folder right here, all you do is you copy it, or you just hit upload. Once you hit upload, it's gonna come here. So my website, the file I've uploaded my website and it's already here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna give it a distinct name. Now the name you give in this folder in your FileZilla account is gonna be the same name. My bad. The same name you link to your website. Okay. So now I'm gonna give. I already have my website uploaded here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a name. So this folder has all my website details. So now I'm gonna give it a name, just the same way you're giving your website a name, right? So I'm gonna give it the same name as it is in my web server or my web host. Okay, so let's go. I put a slash. You want to put a slash. HIL Phil Web Creation Service. .com. Alright, so now I post this, and I've changed the name on it. So what you want to do is that you want to go back to your hosting server, which is our page or whatever server you have. You want to go back to it and go to Domain Central. So once you go to Domain, you hit Domain Central, and when you hit it, it's gonna open up. So you see here, I already have that domain here. So what I'm gonna do is click on that domain, and then I go to pointers or points. When you hit points, what it's gonna do is gonna point to that directory that you have. So now you have to be distinct in this, because you have to give it that exact name on the file in your web server. So now I'm gonna give it the same name as my file in the web server. So now I gave it this name here, philwebcreationservice.com. That's the same name I use in my web hosting server, and that's the same name I'm gonna use for my web server here. So philwebcreationservice.com is the same name as it is in my web host. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save it. So when I save it, it should take few minutes for the update process to be completed. So now what you want to do is that you want to refresh your page. Once you refresh your page, now you try looking for the that domain name. So now I'm gonna search for it. It's not here yet. It's still taking time to reload. Okay, so you wait a little bit. It's gonna show up. All right, might be something wrong somewhere. You go back and check it out. You check this one out. It says philwebcreationservice.com. Yep, check it out. Right, go back to your web host. Go back to your web host and check it out and make sure everything is right. So now make sure everything is right. See here, it still shows me that I have it still shows a different thing. So that's the reason normally you go back to check every single information you put in. Okay, so you go back and check every single information you put in. See here, I have S to that one and there's no S to this. So now you got to put exactly as you have on your domain name. All right, philwebservice.com, philwebcreationservice.com, and then I have it here, philwebcreationservice.com, and I save it. And it's gonna take a little bit, a few minutes to upload. Once it's done, when you click this button, it's gonna bring you straight to your website. So that's how you do it. It's very easy and simple, but don't forget the steps. If you forget any steps, like I show you in an example that I left some out and then I went back and changed before it came back to my website. That's how you post your website online with your domain name linking from your web server to your web host. Alright guys, thanks for watching and comment, leave your comments and I will respond to that. Thanks.